What if I told you? One small mistake with electricity could change your life forever. A loose wire, an overloaded socket, or even using your phone charger with wet hands. These seem harmless, but they are some of the leading causes of electrical shocks and house fires around the world. And the scary part? Most of these accidents happen at home, in places where you feel the safest. Today, we are going to break it all down. Simple, practical ways to protect yourself, your family, and your home from electrical dangers. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn could literally save your life. Before we talk about prevention, let's understand the danger. Electricity flows through wires, but it can also flow through you. When your body becomes part of that path, it leads to an electric shock. Depending on the voltage, this can cause burns, muscle damage, heart failure, or even death. And then there are electrical fires. These don't always start with flames. Sometimes it begins with heat behind your walls, slowly building, silently spreading, until it's too late. Understanding this is the first step to staying safe. Let's talk about how to protect yourself from shocks. First rule: water and electricity should never mix. Never touch switches, plugs, or appliances with wet hands. Even a small amount of water increases conductivity. Imagine stepping out of the shower and plugging in a device. That's a serious risk. Next, damaged wires are a silent threat. If you see cracked insulation, exposed copper, or burn marks, don't ignore it. Replace it immediately. Another common mistake? Pulling a plug out by the cord. Over time, this damages the wire internally and increases the risk of shock. Always hold the plug itself. Also, make sure your home has proper grounding, earthing. Grounding gives electricity a safe path to the earth, instead of through your body. Without it, even touching a faulty appliance can shock you. And finally, never attempt electrical repairs unless you're trained. That quick fix could cost far more than hiring a professional. Now let's talk about something even more dangerous: fires. One of the biggest causes: overloading sockets. Plugging multiple high-power devices into one outlet is like forcing too much traffic onto a narrow road. Eventually, something overheats, and that heat can ignite nearby materials. Be especially careful with heaters, irons, microwaves, air conditioners. These should have dedicated outlets. Next, cheap electrical products. We all want to save money, but low-quality extension cords, plugs, and chargers can be extremely dangerous. They often lack proper insulation and safety features. If it feels too cheap, it probably is. Another warning sign is heat. If a socket feels warm, or you smell something burning, don't ignore it. That's your early warning system. Turn off power and get it checked immediately. Let's bring it closer to home, your daily routine. Small habits make a big difference. Don't run electrical cords under carpets. They trap heat and can cause hidden fires. Keep appliances away from flammable materials like curtains or paper. Always unplug devices when not in use, especially at night or when leaving home. If you have children, this is critical. Install socket covers and keep cords out of reach. Children are naturally curious, and electricity is not forgiving. Also, avoid using appliances with damaged switches or loose connections. If it's faulty, don't manage it. Fix it. Now, let's talk about emergencies, because preparation saves lives. If someone is being electrocuted, do not touch them directly. You could become the next victim. Instead, turn off the power source immediately, use a dry wooden or plastic object to separate them, and call for emergency help. If there's an electrical fire, never use water. Water conducts electricity. You could make it worse. Instead, use a fire extinguisher designed for electrical fires or cut off the electricity if it's safe. These few seconds of correct action can make all the difference. Modern technology can protect you automatically. Install circuit breakers, residual current devices, RCDs, and surge protectors. These devices detect faults and shut off power before disaster strikes. Think of them as your silent guardians, working 24/7. Pay attention to these red flags: flickering lights, frequent power trips, burning smells, sparks from outlets, mild shocks from appliances. These are not small issues. They are warnings. Act immediately. Electricity is powerful. IT makes life easier, but it demands respect. One simple habit, one quick check, can be the difference between safety and disaster. If you found this video helpful, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more life-saving tips. Stay safe, stay aware, and I'll see you in the next video.